art friends, today we are going to draw a cute candle.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we hope you're excited to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, and because we're using markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. Okay, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the side of our candle. We're going to draw it over here a little bit on the left so that we have room for the other side. So we're going to draw a straight line that comes down our paper. Yes, and then we're going to draw another line. We're going to come over here and draw the other side of our candle coming down also. And we're just drawing them straight. This is also called parallel lines, and it's kind of like railroad tracks. They just go side by side, right next to each other. Okay, let's draw the bottom of our candle. We're going to draw a little curve down here and then come over and connect to the other side. Yeah, good job. And then let's draw the top. We're going to draw a curve that comes down, and it's matching the bottom, or I'm trying to match the bottom. See how it's a little curved at the top? You could draw this straight across if you want to keep the lesson a little easier. Okay, now let's draw the very top of our candle. We're going to add a little point. This one hasn't melted very much. We just barely lit it. Nice. Now let's draw the wick coming out of the candle. We'll just draw a little line coming straight out. Yes. Okay, now let's draw maybe some of the candle is melted. Let's add a little drip line right here at the top. I'm going to draw some of these drips big and some of them small. Yeah. And we could also add, let's just add another wavy line down here. Maybe this is just part of the decoration of the candle. And that's the fun part too about this lesson, is you can change it any way you want. You don't have to draw it exactly like us. You could draw your candle really tall, or maybe it's really wide and short. So anything you want to add to your candle, you can. You can even pause the video to take extra time. You could add maybe little hearts or glitter. You could even add more drips, or maybe even a plate or some kind of candle holder.
Or you can even add lots of candles.
Oh, that would be really cool too. You could add them in the background. Okay, now let's add a fire to our wick. And also let's add a little heart to our fire. So I'm going to start right here and then draw a curve coming up and around. So start right in the middle, curve around. There we go. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. And then we can add the rest of the fire. We're going to start way up here at the top, and I'm going to draw an S curve. I'm going to come straight down and then curve out and then curve back in and connect at the bottom of the heart. And then on the other side, we're going to start at the top and just curve all the way out and then back in. We did it! We finished our candle. Well, it's not very cute though. Well, it's kind of cute, but we could make it cuter. What should we add?
A funny face.
Yeah, let's add a funny face. We can add a little smile right here. I'm going to draw a U shape right in the middle. And then we can add, well, I'm going to draw a big giant eye over here. And maybe another giant eye over here on this side. And you could change these too. You could add them winking, or you could even add eyelashes too. Let's draw a small circle in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. I really like your eyelashes. I had to add mine too. Now we're not completely done. What do we still need to do to our drawings?
We still need to color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you could pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You could also color your drawings any way you want. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute candles. I love how they look all colored in.
And I love all the extra sparkles we added.
Yeah, me too. Our friends could add even more extra things to their drawings too. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers to color with. What pink did we use?
Number 88.
Yeah, and then what blue did we use?
66.
66. And then we also used 35 yellow and 34 orange for the top of the candle and also the fire. But if you don't have the same set, that's okay. You could use different markers or even colored pencils or crayons.
We hope you had fun drawing cute candles with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you take time to color and add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.